Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is about my continuation of making my succulent arrangement in preparation for Christmas and Thanksgiving. So this will be my gift, as I said on my other videos. It really doesn't take much to get started with planting succulents. I am using these cute little balls as the containers. By the way, shallow containers are ideal for succulent roots. And then some soil. If you notice, I put some pebbles on the base of the bowl because it has no hole. So this kind of arrangement doesn't need that much water. However, I put this little small rocks on the bottom before I put the soil, just to make sure that there is a drainage of the water. But it's very important for the receiver to know when I give this to the receiver, I always make sure that I have the instruction not to overwater the succulent arrangement. Just maximum every 4 days once, and not even like overwatering, just to make sure that the soil is not dry, and that's enough. And so I'm putting a very good soil on it. It's a potting soil created specifically for succulents. And the plants that I'm using, they are babies. They are ones from my garden. In choosing your plants, keep in mind that their needs for light and care may differ. So again, don't forget to give instructions to the receiver of the succulent arrangement. So I am also using my collected sea glasses from the Mediterranean Sea. You see how beautiful they are? So they're very valuable for me because I spend so much time to find them and to gather them like that. They are in different colors. There's the light blue, there's the teal, there's the mint green, and the white. Just they're so pretty, and I thought that they will also be a very nice gift together with the succulents. So once again, as you see, I'm putting that rocks as the base because there's no hole in the bowl, just to make sure that there is a drainage deep down there in the bottom. And always for the receiver to preserve your succulents and to let it grow well, don't overwater it. Just water it every 4 days, a little drop of water, just to give moist to the plant. It's more important. And so this is my second bowl. If you want to watch the other, if you want to see my other succulent arrangement, please watch my previous video. I have there also some of my arrangements which are already ready to give away as a gift. But yeah, I still have time to let it grow and make it in full bloom before I can give it. I still have time because it's for Thanksgiving and for Christmas celebration, or New Year, or even birthday celebrants in the month of November and December. So there it is. Another arrangement is done with this beautiful sea glasses. I'm gonna give an update how they would look like after 5 days, after 10 days. So stay tuned to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and please click the notification bell so every time I'm posting a video, you will be notified. I have also some fun videos, so please check my channel and leave a message so I can also visit you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you got an inspiration on these two babies, and stay tuned for another video. God bless and happy weekend.